that make any difference?
If you stand in that corner, this is the low corner. What are you, 3 sandbags?
My name is Stuart Broussard. I graduated from LSU in construction management, and I'm getting a master's in architecture. I've been with the Buoyant Foundation project for about 6 months now. I do see this as a feasible opportunity and possibility for residents in New Orleans. I think one of the biggest things that drew me to it is it's different, and I think that there were so many different possibilities around the world, places we haven't looked yet, and people are too afraid to really try something new. They want to stick with what they know, and I think this is a great opportunity to kind of think outside the box and try something new, try something different. And it seems like a very feasible. I can't think of good words,
practical.
But practical. It's a very practical approach to solving the problem that's facing a lot of areas in South Louisiana, New Orleans, and along the coast.
Working with students as part of the Mechanical Engineering Capstone Design Program this year has been a huge benefit to me. I had 5 excellent students working full-time on this project for a year, an entire academic year. They spent the fall semester designing the project and developing all of the engineering solutions on paper, and then they spent the spring semester actually constructing a full-scale prototype of the design that they created during the fall term. And my role as supervisor, I gave them suggestions on the design and supervised their work, checked their calculations and that sort of thing to make sure that they were on track. They did an excellent job. The students had an opportunity both to apply the engineering knowledge that they'd learned in the classroom and then to take it from the paper and pencil and calculator stage to actual physical construction, see it built. They had to work out some of the problems, some issues in terms of sequencing the construction that you don't think of when you're sitting in a classroom with pencil and paper. But those are the things that you work out in the field. So the students learned a lot about how to take a concept, develop it, build it, and solve social problems in the process.